where nature doesn't exist, except when it does. Serbia. Let's be honest, it's not exactly on everyone's travel bucket list. It's often overlooked, overshadowed by more popular European destinations. You won't find turquoise waters or swaying palm trees here. No, sir. Instead, you'll discover serene inland lakes, winding rivers, and dense forests that offer a different kind of beauty. Serbia is a landlocked country in southeastern Europe. Nestled between its more famous neighbors, it often goes unnoticed. It's known for its mountainous terrain, which frankly gets pretty monotonous after a while. But for those who love hiking and rugged landscapes, it's a paradise waiting to be explored. And don't even get me started on the vast, sprawling plains. They're just flat. Yet these plains are the backbone of Serbia's agricultural heritage. Culturally, Serbia is a melting pot, a chaotic mix of Byzantine, Ottoman, and Austro-Hungarian influences. This rich tapestry is evident in its vibrant festivals and traditional dances. This translates to a hodgepodge of architectural styles that are, well, let's just say eclectic. From Byzantine churches to Ottoman mosques, the streets tell stories of a complex past. If you're looking for pristine beaches and predictable tourist traps, you're better off sticking to the Mediterranean. Serbia offers something entirely different. Serbia is not for the faint of heart. It's for the adventurous souls who seek the road less traveled. It's a country that will challenge your perceptions and leave you wondering what just hit you. Every corner has a story, every landscape a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Belgrade, Serbia's capital, is not the city that never sleeps. It's the city that parties all night long, with an energy that never seems to fade. Seriously, these people know how to have a good time. From dusk till dawn, the fun never stops. The nightlife is legendary, a whirlwind of underground bars, floating river clubs, and all-night raves that keep the city buzzing. If you value your sleep, avoid Belgrade like the plague. The noise and excitement are relentless. But if you're looking for an experience that will leave you wondering what year it is, then by all means, jump right in. The adventure is worth it. Just don't come crying to me when you're nursing a 3-day hangover. It's all part of the Belgrade experience. Nature lovers, listen up. Serbia's natural beauty is underwhelming, to say the least. Think dense forests, towering mountains, and crystal clear lakes. Who needs that, right? From the rolling hills of Fruška Gora National Park to the dramatic peaks of the Dinaric Alps, Serbia's landscapes are frankly a bit much. You'll find yourself constantly bombarded by breathtaking views and pristine wilderness. My advice? Stick to the cities. At least there you can find a decent cup of coffee and escape the overwhelming beauty of the Serbian wilderness. I remember one particular trip to Serbia. It was a journey filled with unexpected twists and turns, and it all started with a simple goal. I was on a mission to find the most unremarkable, forgettable meal in the Balkans. I wanted to experience the mundane, the everyday, the meals that locals might overlook. My search led me to a small, nondescript village nestled in the mountains. It was the kind of place where time seemed to stand still, and the air was filled with the scent of pine and earth. I stumbled upon a local kafana, a traditional Serbian tavern, and decided to give it a try. The exterior was unassuming, but the warmth inside was palpable. What followed was an explosion of flavors: grilled meats, fresh salads, tangy cheeses, and a variety of dishes that danced on my palate. And the bread. Oh, the bread. It was so good it could make a grown man cry. Each bite was a revelation, a testament to the art of simple, honest cooking. The locals, initially wary of the outsider, welcomed me with open arms and copious amounts of rakia, a potent fruit brandy. Their hospitality was genuine, their smiles infectious. I left with a full stomach, a slight buzz, and a newfound appreciation for the simple pleasures of Serbian hospitality. What started as a quest for the mundane turned into an unforgettable adventure, one that I would cherish forever. Serbia is a country that gets under your skin. It's raw, it's real, and it doesn't apologize for what it is. The people are warm and welcoming, the food is hearty and delicious, and the scenery, Well, it's not bad either, but shh, don't tell anyone. Let's keep Serbia our little secret. Let the tourists flock to their overcrowded beaches and overpriced restaurants. We'll be here enjoying the best that Serbia has to offer, far from the madding crowds. Consider yourself warned. If you're looking for a predictable cookie-cutter travel experience, Serbia is not for you. But if you're open to the unexpected, to embracing a culture that's both familiar and completely foreign, then pack your bags and book that flight. Just don't blame me when you fall head over heels in love with this crazy, beautiful country. You've been warned. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and tips. See you in the next video.